Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna use this cleaning product. I'm gonna show you guys the cleaning product, clean the battery terminals. As you can see, come up closer. See my battery have some corrosion, and the corrosion will give it like a weak battery pulse, a slow crank, you know. Yesterday I went to the auto store and get my battery tested and my alternator tested. They said the both of them is good, but the guy told me if it's doing that, if the car is giving you a slow crank, most likely it's the corrosion that's on the battery. So he recommended me to get this, which I didn't have to, because some people use Coke, some people use water and baking soda and like the iron thing to clean the corrosion off of the battery. But anyways, they recommend me this right here, Die Hard battery terminal protection kit. As you can see right here, this is the cleaner, this is the protection, the protectant right here on the left side, which is right here, and this is a brush that you put over, and when you take off the terminal you clean it up. And you also have these pads in the back as well. And I think you have some also the grease as well. So the I don't know, we'll see when I open it. To put on the terminal so the corrosion don't come back. But yeah, stay tuned. So this is the back of it. It said cleaner spray, protectant spray, terminal brush, terminal protectant, and hand cleaner. That's what it says. So let's open it real quick. So these right here, I guess it's the hand cleaner in the back right there. I thought it was like some type of lubricant. That's what I was guessing. Get the corrosion on the battery. You know it's a 10 millimeter. Take off the battery terminal, the connector for the battery. So this is the protectant spray. Cleaner spray, battery cleaner, and the brush, guys. So what we're gonna do, I had broke that loose already earlier. Don't want to lose that. So get all that corrosion. Wow, get all that. So basically gonna how you use that right there. And basically just use this. And I'm gonna use like an old microfiber cloth. Clean that up. Look like it's gonna rain heavy. It's gonna pour down. So I'm not going nowhere today. So I have time, a lot of time. So I'll be good. Yeah, guys. Microfiber. Clean it up. I'm gonna take off the positive as well. Alright, there we go. See all that corrosion? Let's remove this. Put that right there for now. Remove out all that corrosion. It's a good die-hard battery. Clean that up really good. Alright. This is the cleaner. Oh, it looks foamy. Oh, wow. I don't even know if you're supposed to spray that much, but feel me, that's the cleaner, so. Do my best to clean out the corrosion. On that part. This have a top piece that you could just pull up. It's not that easy, but you got to use two hands. Already broke it open off camera. So this part, you know, you could do your best to like clean inside of the terminals properly. The connector, clean the connector, that, you know, remove as much corrosion as possible. See, I sprayed some more. Shake it up. Make sure you shake it up. Shake up the battery cleaner. Shake it well, and then spray. And they get really foamy. And I got some on my hands. You know, just wipe that off. That's the cleaner. So let it soak for a little bit. As you can see, it's getting really dirty. Start wiping it properly. Clean that off. Feel me? Remove all corrosion, guys. Do the same with the other side. As you can see, still have some more in between. I'm gonna spray some more in between there and let it sit for maybe about a minute or two. And what you could do as well, you could use this again and just go inside of it. Use the brush inside and out of it as well. Alright guys, this is the best that I got it. I'm gonna take the cloth and just wipe Remove everything the best that you can. And then I'm going to spray the battery terminal protection spray. Fights the battery corrosion, prolong battery life for use on post or side terminal batteries. So I'm gonna give it a shake. I'm gonna shake it up. That's red. That should do. Oh, not all that much. Just spray it and just leave it. And after, I'm gonna put those down. Alright, of course, put the red thing on them. And when you finish, you basically just put everything back. Feel me? Drop your positive properly, and of course your negative. This one dropped down so easy. And then you just tighten it back up with the 10mm and you're done. Feel me? Get a start, tighten it back up, and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. So you just wipe the excess, you know, protectant spray. Just wipe that away, you know, clean it up properly. And you're good to go. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. I'm out.
You grind me, you squeeze me.